welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change microphone. Yes, how to check microphone input in Windows. So the first thing, I'm going to give you the one for the Windows 11, and then I'm going to show you how to do it in Windows 10. So for Windows 11, right click on the speaker icon in the taskbar, select sound from the menu, select your microphone, and in the input section choose the input device drop down menu, and then select the microphone you want to use from the list. Test your microphone by clicking on the start test button. Speak to the microphone and you should be able to see this blue bar moving as your voice is detected. Then click stop test and listen to the recording. Adjust your microphone properties, that is optional. By clicking on selected microphone, you can see the device properties. You can adjust the settings like microphone volume, microphone boost, noise suppression, and echo cancellation. You can also set the microphone as default. It's also optional by checking the box for set as default communication device if you want the microphone to be used for calls and voice chat. Now, in case you're having problems with it, I'll give you how to troubleshoot it at the end of this video. Let's go to how to do it on Windows 10. So the first thing you do, like we said, right click on the volume of the speaker. Then you can see some options here. We have open sound settings, open volume mixer, partial sound. You see, we have sounds, troubleshoot sound problems. Let's start with open sound settings. Now here you can see the microphone here. As I'm talking, you can see it already moving, like we said. So here you choose the one you want. As you can see, I only have one microphone. If you have more than one, you to choose the one you want. Then you can customize. You can see device property by clicking here, device property. And then you can squeeze the volume, reduce the volume, disable or rename, and the rest of them. Then you can also manage the sound. Click on troubleshoot, then you can also manage the sound devices. Manage them here, clicking on the one you want to manage. Disable, you can enable it. You can also disable or test the speaker. You can see. So we also have advanced sound options. You can click on the advanced sound option for the microphone. This is for the recorder. You can also reset to the default settings if you want. Now, for troubleshooting the problems. Now, if you're having microphone connection problems, ensure your microphone is properly connected to your computer. This is for an external microphone. Then, update the audio driver. Outdated drivers can cause issues. So go to Device Manager, search for it in the Start menu. Update your audio driver. If you're still having problems, try troubleshooting your microphone hardware itself. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully change your microphone input in Windows. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.